Uh, Today we will discuss about job promotion and career enhancement. There are two important aspects we are to discuss today. One is a job confirmation, and second one is job promotion. So we'll see job confirmation. This is normally done after the probationary period. The employer confirms the employee based on his 6 months or 1 year of employment, where the salary revision is discussed and the confirmation letter given to the employee with the salary increase. What is promotion interview? A promotion interview is conducted for internal employees who are applying or eligible for a new job role or position that has more responsibilities with their department or outside of their own current department. What do you like best about your current position at the company? So here what the employer is trying to understand the current position of the person. When the interview asks this question, they are looking to assess your overall attitude about your current position. They likely want to make sure you have a positive attitude, can do about current role at the company. Focus positively on how the company has assisted you with your success in your current role. Why do you want the new position? So here the question what the employer is looking forward is why he wants this position. The interview is seeking to uncover the reason why you applied for this position. They likely want to determine what your motivation is, and they will assess if you will be able to stay motivated to succeed in this position for the right reasons. This could also give you an opportunity to mention how your values match the company's values and goals. Why should we consider you for this promotion? So here the employer is trying to assess why he should be selected, why he should be promoted. This question is usually asked by the interviewer to make sure you are confident that you can handle this new role. If you can't provide a reason as to why you should get the promotion, then they likely won't want to consider you either. This question provides you with the opportunity to mention accomplishments and awards you have won during your employment with the company. Can you tell me what you know about the position you are being considered for? So here the employer is trying to find out from the employee, does he know the role of the current position? Researching the job role expectations will assist you with your response to this question. Answer this question to the best of your knowledge. Don't fabricate an answer. Ask for a clarification on the expectations and the duties of the new role if needed. How would you how would your current team members describe your work? The interviewer most likely knows how your current team members have described you. Try asking for feedback from your team members to prepare for this promotion interview. Be realistic and honest in your response to this question while remaining positive. How will you react if you don't get this promotion? Remain professional when answering this question. The interviewer wants to get an idea of how you handle the rejection and if you will want to remain with the organization if you don't get the promotion. How will this promotion affect your current work relationship? Here, the employer or the interviewer is trying to gauge your attitude towards the promotion. The interviewer will likely want to make sure that if you are promoted, there won't be any conflicts with you and your team. This is an important question to consider if you are being promoted within the same department or location. Tell me about a time when you had to complete the task you had never done before. How did you go about it? Again, this is a very good question asked by the interviewer, saying, did he feel any problems while doing certain tasks? This question may be asked to measure your ability to approach new and challenging tasks. Many promotions include tasks that you may not have completed before, and your employer will want to assess how you can, how you are capable, how capable you are. If given this promotion, what do you hope to accomplish within the next 3 to 6 months? So here the employer or the interviewer is trying to assess the employee regarding how he is going to achieve the set target within a specific time. This is a great question for you to respond to using your knowledge of the position and company expectations. Your interviewer may ask this question to see if you have personal goals within the new role that you would like to accomplish. This answer will change depending on your industry, but try to be specific when responding to this question. So here I've seen to it some of the important questions that can arise during the promotion. So I am in my next videos I'll be seeing how to improve your writing skill and remove pitfalls. So this should nearly help you all to improve on your writing skill. Thank you.